Welcome to solverfy.
Yep. We asked, does more current flow out of a battery than into it, and does more current flow into a light bulb than out of it? Well, charge is conserved. So unless there's an accumulation or a depletion of charge in the device, then whatever is flowing in must be flowing out. So in a battery, actually, you don't have an accumulation of charge or a depletion of charge. There's a separation of charge. And then so as charge flows out, more charge will flow in to replace that. So the charge is actually conserved in the battery. And then, like with rechargeable batteries, all you're doing is then separating the charge again. Moving ions, like in lithium-ion batteries, moving ions back to the other side. So you basically can then have them move back here. So in the end, you basically there's no like depletion of electrons or anything in the battery. And likewise, in a light bulb, there's no accumulation of charge in the light bulb. Whatever is going in, the amount of charge going in has to be the same as going out. Because otherwise, you just get a build up and build up and build up of charge here in the light bulb, which is not what happens. Charges accumulate in capacitors, though. So, a capacitor is a charge storage device. So that is one device where you actually do, at least as it's charging up, you'll have more charge flowing in than flowing out. And then as it's discharging, you'll have more charge flowing out than flowing in. So that's kind of the difference between a battery and a capacitor. They both store energy, but capacitors store energy as an accumulation of charge. Batteries store energy as a separation of charge. So again, that's basically from the conservation from conservation of charge. You wind up having everything. There's no accumulation in a battery or a light bulb.